Yeah, bless up my people, big up on yourself. I don't know what's a new link there from New Link Production. I don't know people and there with this drama thing with it New Link now people and me have to say yo John what really I go on down the yard now people because one of my brethren to me now and it's a New Link. Some day you talk about the news with the policeman them because you don't know so true New Link them and look at low profile on YouTube people so me I say you know so me never get them news there. You know what I mean? Must say yeah man about the police them we had do the gunman work them a yard and go around and go rob and one of them get lick out and something. I say what? Right, so I come to boom now, I go do my research them now people and get in my news and thing people and me I tell you now what really I go on down a yard now with them police and I can't believe. Zin I'm going to it people, right? They said that in a sand catching there over Spanish Town there, right? I look at event I go on. So I look at half duty police, right? Him dep on a look corner, but him see a look move and make which when him observe a tree, a film squad them him see over there you know, with some next set of man people. And them 3 squad here from the mobile reserve and them dep on suspension. If you look at incident we are pro by in the come. You get me as a people? Well, my viewers and my subscribers, it is said that the half duty police when one of the man them fire a shot and lick a next brother who them call Big Czar, who them call him, lick him, kill him, shot him, kill him. Zin, then the man say what go on and him beat 2 can over them, bust 2 shot over there. The boy them jumping at them car people, so my boy say right him, nah make it go so. Because this is a police now, the half duty one is a police who is one who will protect Jamaican citizens them and one when I do the dirty thing and the mix up thing. So him decide and him make him chase back at them people and him follow them and him start beat chat till what? The car boom and up crash. Some part done then I send catching people. Him fire and shot boom boom boom. When they go up on the scene now people. Zin 3 of the man them was in the car. Get hit. 3 of them. You know what I mean? Other 2 more jump out and them gone. Cause 5 of them full up the car and people. When him go there and him look now people. Is one of him close police him see now. Dead. Gunshot lick you out while the other 2 now. Them are not police. But them dead too. And the other 2 we are police now managed to escape. Zin people. So the man them they have duty. And you see what them gonna do in a Jamaica. So right now, in the come now, them a probe this matter and I do them clean investigation on it. Because the whole Jamaica shop now, you know. Because when I check out this thing you know, people and from the other day, you know, but they dep on a can and me had some new terrorists and we have said New Link. But I really level, you know, so enough of them police I can't trust them because some of them shooting I will say how the man a deal with the thing. It look like a some man well trained and do them thing, you know. And me look back at me and say, you know, say like a real thing because enough of them bike man we see a go around, you know, people. And have on them thing upon them face, you know. Well trained and coming up. One in the head. Lick out the head back, lick out the head top. And jump on him bike and gone now. Oh, them a move so. You know, look, gun dibby boy we just take up a gun people can't. You know, cause when you beat a gun in the people, you have to know how for really burst a gun, you know. You understand? Cause when you burst a gun like this and you put it in the gun, you know what I mean? So you have to know how the tension, to know when. Them man are well trained man, we do them for them thing, you know, people. Hit the man them a carry out, you know. So when them they half duty, then they on suspension now, they maybe get a call out for go make some money and this are the work where the man them a do. The man them who you say inna the force and them say them for serve and protect Jamaican citizens. At this the man them really I do my viewers and my subscribers. Eh? But on a real level, yo, me can't believe people. So right now, if you can't trust the police them, you can't trust the citizens them, who you are go trust? You can't trust nobody at all in a Jamaica then now. Because a police the people and they have duty man him see what go on, you know, and him know say, you know, a 3M squad in there, you know, even though a 1 get shot and killing the people, but me sorry honestly other 2 they get dead too. Because they come in and then go do no more, you know, and sleep the Indy come approve them for another matter before already. You understand me people? Me I tell my viewers and my subscribers, them thing are not nice. You get me? Them thing are just not nice. You understand? Boy, me I tell you it's time and me I tell you boy. But we don't know people. We just wish for Jamaican citizens them the best and for things can just go the right way for them and you know what I mean? These culprit and these wicked dirty police We get the attack from newlink. All dirty thinking police we are going and kill off innocent people and rob innocent people. A straight attack we know I get. And we just hope the people. All like other one them out there do the foolishness. Then we get catch. So big up to the squaddy who do it and who get them out. Blessings people, enough love, enough respect and peace. I'm out. Big up on yourself. Newlink said that attack. Bless up.